our continuing series on what to do with your Thanksgiving leftovers, we are going to be making one of my favorites, a turkey pot pie. These come together really quickly. You'll need 5 tablespoons of butter, 1 yellow onion, finely diced, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, smashed and diced, 2 small carrots, peeled, also diced, 1 stalk of celery, you guessed it, diced, a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 5 to 10 sprigs of thyme ripped apart, 1 cup of frozen peas, 2 cups of finely diced turkey leftovers. Make sure to use both white and dark meat, and 2 cups of turkey stock. Let's get going. Let's make the filling. So we are going to melt 5 tablespoons of butter over medium-high heat. As soon as that starts sizzling, put in our onions, celery, and carrots. Okay, once those are softened for about 2 or 3 minutes, we're just going to add the thyme and the garlic. Now that everything's sweated out nice, we're going to add our 5 tablespoons of flour. All right, let's get our turkey in there. 2 cups, a cup of frozen peas. Let's heat some. So easy, so good.